this is our room. But the best thing is...
I'm not looking.
Shh! I'm recording. That view.
On the Nile, on a boat called, God knows what's the name?
Something like Dominico Emilio or something.
304. Okay, come along.
Don't trip.
This decor.
Don't trip.
It's beautiful decor.
You keep showing the same friggin' lights, for God's sake. You didn't even notice it, for God's sake. I think we should go downstairs.
Yeah.
I'm following you. This is the level that Amun can see.
Just shush.
Because I'm a little bit vertically challenged. She's not amused.
Oh, look, it's majestic.
You didn't even know what to say. Come on, Amun. A bit of improvisation here.
The chandelier, which nearly is as big as the roof.
Yeah, that's what I was. Yeah.
And I feel as if I'm a bit like Scarlett O'Hara going down the steps.
Ooh.
In Gone with the Wind. Come along. Only there ain't
Like
anywhere.
Missy knows where she's going.
Where's the restaurant?
I don't know.
Not there, I have to look.
I know that's a river. Ooh, there's a shop. We have to go towards the shop.
Of the gods. That's the main center of Amun Re here, and many gods as well were shipping inside, like Aton. Yeah, when Akhenaten changed the religion, yeah, and built small temple for Aton here. But later on, Tutankhamun changed, coming back again to Amun Re. So Horemheb using the stones of Akhenaten and building some pylons inside. Yeah, he built 3 pylons here, 3 big gates like this. Horemheb, the leader of the army. His tomb, he was an officer in Saqqara when became a pharaoh here in the Valley of the Kings in Luxor. Yeah.
That was after Tutankhamun.
Yes, Horemheb, the leader of the army. That were holes to put the flags of the gods, yeah, to prevent any bad spirits to come inside the complex, yeah, the temple. And here in these niches we imagine statues for the king, yeah, who ordered to build these pylons. This is representing the east bank and the west bank of the Nile, yeah, and the Nile in the middle, yeah. Okay. You can imagine in between there is a big gate and wooden one with gold layers, yeah, to go inside the temple. We're protecting with the priests, yeah. This Ram's Avenue, the Ram was symbol of Amun Re, yeah, and to limit the acts of the temple, yeah, magnificent, giving frightening and as well glory and as well greatness for the temple, yeah, before we go inside. Well, this is the road of the festival, yeah? We're taking the statue and the boat of Amun Ra from the Holy of the Holies to go outside, yeah? To visit the temple of his wife, Luxor Temple.
Aadil, you want to take a picture with your rams? Yeah?
Always the temple consists of the Ram's Avenue and the pylons, and after that the open court, which is only allowed for public to go inside, the open court. After that, just the sea and the high school. Which is allowed for them to go inside the court.
Look.
Some colors, yeah? Look at the color. The colors are finished, yeah? Are gone. Yeah. Are gone. That's offering table, yeah? Amazing offering table. The list of different kings and queens, look here. Different kings and queens. Like recording, yes? Yes. The color's out.
Yeah, it's faded now, but some of the original color is there. Let's see what has the top.
Blue. Persian blue.
There's some light blue.
We see the offerings going to Amun Ra, yeah? Amun Ra, and behind we see Goddess Ma'at, God of Truth and Justice. The height of the columns, like 24 meters, like open capital, like the papyrus, yeah? Because higher, yeah? Higher, so having the sun, so it's flowery, yeah? As we can see. The panels, magnificent. The difference between the columns is making good ventilation, like a windows, yeah? So beautiful, miracle for Egyptian architecture. 3,300 years ago. how lovely colors we see on the top, on the panels. So they're carrying like 60 or 70 tons, yeah, these panels. Wow. The color. For Egypt and magnificent cartouche of Ramses II, yeah? Symbol of prosperity and long life. We can read the name. Come on and read for me this name, yeah? You know now. That is Might, yeah? Might. Gods of truth and justice, Might. Osiris, Might, Ra. Satan, the wave is in, Ra. Yes, cartouche of Ramses II. Osiris to Might, Ra, Satan in, Ra. Where is Timmy? I would like to show you the wall here. As we can see, and the cobras, and this offering is going to Amun Re in the middle, and Sekhmet, and his wife as well, and as with son, yeah, Khonsu, and behind we see Goddess Might, gods of truth and justice. So famous Might with the feather, yeah, on the top. As we can see, lovely features, amazing details, and this is the enemies here. The enemies, yeah, and each one having the names, yeah, of his country, yeah. From which country, yeah? The enemies, yeah? See? Mm-hmm.
They're all listed on the left.
Yes. See how magnificent details and how so clever? This is the city first and punishing the Asian, yeah? Look at the chariots. Look at the horse. Draw something here.
Yeah.
Yeah, here in the shade while you are filming. See how great the cartouche here?